We use the interface session from package javax.servlet.http to manipulate session in the web application. Session is retrieved from object of HTTP servlet request. HTTP servlet request is a class from package javax.servlet.http. These are the essential class and interface to manipulate the session. There are 6 steps to program with HTTP session. First step is to get object of HTTP session. HTTP session is an interface. We are not creating a new interface object. Instead, we are getting the object of HTTP session from HTTP servlet. In the second step, we set the session age. This step is to set the life of a session in seconds. In the third step, add data that we want to pass or retain in the web application to the session. The data can be string or in object form. Step 4 and 5 is manipulating session object, which is either to retrieve further manipulation or remove it from the session object. In step 6, session is invalidate when we no longer needed them. Invalidate means data are unbind from the session. All these steps are achievable with the methods defined in HTTP servlet request and HTTP session.